Hi, month of July.
Yes,
Di
it's a
ba?
new month.
Oo nga. Nakalagpas na tayong isang taon. Di ba?
Lampas-lampasan na.
Oo. So, tatry ko lang to para hulaan mo yung topic.
Oh, wow.
Ang intro ko kanta. Ito Narito ako, naghihintay sa utos mo. Yan ang topic natin, pare. Marami nagtatanong,
Discernment.
hindi! Tinawag ka ng Panginoon eh. Paano daw yung proseso ba ng pagpapare? May stages siya kasi, di ba?
Yeah.
Yan.
Gusto mong magpare.
Oo.
Gusto mong malaman ano
Yung mga stages?
stages.
Oo. Saka magsisimula ito ng pagka-graduate ng grade school ba?
Well,
Tayo magsisimula?
kung gusto niyo yung minor seminary,
Yun, minor.
pwedeng
tawag.
sabihin na merong ganong kind of stage. Kasi siguro most of the time, at least in my time, sakristan kami eh. Altar servers. So parang target niche yun dati. Kasi itong batan to, gusto mag-serve sa altar at the age of maybe 11 or 10 or 12.
Mga grade 5, grade 6.
Bakit hindi na lang? Ano? So there are still many dioceses po that have these minor seminarians. It's a usual seminary po. Except that I do not know right now, pero they have certain special subjects.
So they're taking up the normal high school
Yeah.
curriculum.
At kalalabasan ngayon, from grade 7 to grade 12 na.
Pero doon na sila nakatira, no?
Naka-dorm na sila, kunyari. I think it's normally in the dorm. Mostly kung third year, fourth year, or at now, senior and junior, baka grades 7 to 9, 10 to 12, baka nag-iiba ng dorm yan. Sa amin, ng panahon namin po, sabi nyo kasi stages, ano?
Oo.
Iba yung masabi mo, nasa small boys dorm ako.
Okay.
First year, second year, in high school noon. Tapos punta ako sa big boys dorm.
Lilipat ka.
So, parang meron pong maganda, no? Steps. And of course, isang bata, sa isang tao, am I achieving, or am I getting nearer to my aim?
The
I think
vocation,
sa
the calling.
psyche, sa pag-iisip, ano?
The
yung
calling,
mindset,
nearer to your calling.
Ang panahon ngayon po, dahil kasi maraming mga magulang na pag ang kanilang anak ay naging minor seminarian, ang nasasabi ng marami po ngayon ay it happens at this context natin ng millennium, ng third millennium, parang ang dami yata mga pintuan, windows na nagko-close sa experience ng bata at that age na siguro it would be better that the child or the person that has a vocation, that has a call, mas maganda i-nurture sa pamilya,
Sa bahay.
sa bahay, para makita niya ang family life at a certain age of self-identity, makahalubilo niya mga girls kasi
Maranasan niya.
oo, kasi kami po, nung nasa minor, bawal na kami mag-parties. Kaagad. It closes doors. So,
Okay.
we can say today, if you want to think about
The vocation.
the stages in the vocation, it is preferred by many, simulan mo after senior high.
When you begin to become college.
O mga 18 years old.
Okay.
Kasi po, nung panahon namin, 18 years old, I was already a professed Salesian.
Wow.
Parang kinasal na po ako at 18. Nag-make of vows eh.
Pero nag-high
Masyadong
school
maaga.
ka, hindi sa minor seminary.
Minor.
Minor na agad.
Minor din. Pero na-extend kami ng 2 years kasi nga may Vatican II na sabi, kailangan mag-mature pa yung mga bata.
Okay.
So right now po, we could say, okay, we call this stage, let's say, kung high school up to senior high, maybe you call it an aspirantate. Aspiring, people that aspire.
Yun pala yung aspirant.
Pero meron silang sinasabi po ngayon na maganda, na maybe it's called also parang orientation years. Ang haba naman, 6, di ba?
Parang look and see.
Oo, parang look and see. Tapos, probably, these kids, they are more at play, they are more at this. Pero alam niyo po, ang aking experience, napakaganda kasi, when you're put in a seminary discipline, may study time,
May sleeping time
may
na
sleeping
required.
time, tapos merong gumagabay, kailangan mo mag-kumpisal ka regularly, kailangan mo magsimba araw-araw,
Daily mass na yan.
tapos merong time for hobbies. Kami po, we were asked to have at least a musical instrument
Wow.
kasi Don Bosco kami.
Oo.
So parang siguro may others would be in the hobby of painting. Ngayon, mas mura na siguro ang
Saan to? Sa
photography.
Pampanga?
Oo.
Sa Pampanga?
Oo. Pero ang panahon po namin, we have hobby time.
Oo.
And normally, you pick up a guitar or at one point, syempre, we were even having trumpets,
Wow.
trombones, violins,
Wow.
and a full kind of
In sports?
orchestra. And the sports.
May
you know.
football lagi tati Ayo, di ba?
Yeah. Sa sports, magiging parang versatile ka kasi hindi ka pwede mag-football lang. Kailangan ka mag-basketball, kailangan ka mag-softball,
Swimming.
kailangan ka mag-volleyball. So, wala kami swimming pool, pero may swimming pool later on nagkakaroon. So, I mean, varied ang experience ng bata.
Yan yung a sound mind in a healthy body, di ba?
Correct. At saka, I think, what I say, a lot of young people today that have a vocation
Oo.
might miss by being in a home is that hindi siya parang kultura na gusto talagang alagaan ang isa certain seedbed. Kaya nga po seminaryo eh. Kasi seed,
Oo nga,
semina.
no? Oo nga, no?
It's a seed eh. So, if you try to culture a seed, parang ilalagay mo sa isang controlled environment eh. Hindi yung parang itanim mo tapos ilagay mo sa labas.
Para ka nag-PMA ng college.
In a way, pero...
Kasi nakahiwalay na kayo sa bahay.
Oo, nakahiwalay kayo. Pero ito, bata eh.
Oo.
Parang talagang seedling ka eh.
Oo.
Bago ka maging sapling, yung parang pwede kang itanim sa isang, let's say, paso. Tapos bago ka maging isang tree,
Pero ganun din, meron kayong chemistry, algebra.
lahat, everything.
Oo.
At one point, our students had PMT, yung military training, di
required
ba?
nun.
Or Boy Scouting, whatever, di ba? On that time of civic services. Pero ito po, pag-usapan natin ang more recent, we're on terms of college. Marami rin sa mga seminarista na they feel the vocation
Later on.
and it's assisted by our schools, certain schools na i-develop at closer range. Itong ginagawa po namin sa Vietnam. Pag merong desire ang bata to become a Salesian, a priest, pag nagsabi siya, tinutulungan sila sa university. Bibigyan sila ng tutorials in English.
Wow.
Pero nasa bahay sila.
Nasa
Pero
bahay.
pagdating ng weekend, punta sila kung saan merong kumbento namin at merong activities for young people
Oh.
and they are exposed. There, they also probably have an overnight and therefore they will experience prayer time, Blessed Sacrament adoration, Sunday Mass na may pagka more solemn. Kasi sabi ko po, Vietnam to kasi siyempre hindi Catholic country.
May catechism na rin yan.
Siyempre, merong basic catechism. Pero more importantly po, kasi Vietnam nga po,
Oh.
English. They are given tutorial in English. And
Oh,
I think
nice,
for the
nice.
Filipinos, maganda rin yun eh.
Oo.
In college, ha?
Oo.
And probably, ang nakita ko sa aming style of training is, binigyan po kami ng study habits.
Wow.
Yung bata, maliit pa lang, at least ako, first year high school, tinuruan ako magbasa. Hindi speed reading, pero parang everyday, meron kang libro And in a month, gagawa ka ng parang summary ng libro.
Hindi lang yung religious books.
Hindi.
Pati literature.
Hardy Boys ako eh.
Ah, ang cute naman. Pop!
Oh, eh, siyempre wala kaming Nancy Drew. Hardy Boys kami. And so, nag-uusap kami about mga ganyang adventures and blah, blah, blah. So,
Nade-develop
we have
din.
reflection time. Pero sabi ko nga, parang systemic. May regularity. At kunyari, kung meron man kaming sine at that time, lalo na nung college na ako, pinoproseso kami, ano ba napanood namin. Kasi
Dinidiscuss nyo.
pinili yung sine. Pinasok sa amin. Ano kami, hindi ka pupunta sa sinehan.
Oo.
Pero nga siguro pupunta sa sinehan. Pero ipaprocess mo, ano ba yung message, communication message. Pero siguro ngayon, even the cinematography, the lights, the
Nice.
colors, the script,
So
whatever.
it's all around.
Kasi nga, they feel that if you become a priest, you must have a very versatile, varied experiences.
Malawak.
Kasi sa tao, ganun ang makikilala mong tao eh.
Iba-iba.
Pero kami, because we are a congregation, like the Jesuits or the Dominicans, siyempre may mas focused experiences kami.
But sa college, yan na ba yung magme-major ka na sa philosophy or theology?
Hindi, sa amin wala pong philosophy.
Wala pa.
Kami, College of Education. Pero sa diocesan, it's a College of Philosophy.
Philosophy na.
Most probably, it's an AB
Oo.
in philosophy.
Kasi philosophy is a
And therefore-
precursor to theology.
Oo, but also civil degree, CHED.
Oo, may degree ka.
Tertiary education yan, di ba? So practically, we're given the education kasi marami kami schools. We don't take yet philosophy.
At that stage ng college, wala ka pang vows.
Wala at all.
Wala pa.
Wala at all.
Wala pa.
So, at certain stage, nakatapos ka ng
Nakataas ka
college
ng
ngayon,
Sige.
ang gusto mangyari is, ito, may college ka. Meron kang career, possibly, siguro, mostly teacher. Kung sa amin, BSE,
Educator.
technical education, di ba? Choose. You can leave the seminary, you have been trained,
Or
you've
you
been
can
assisted,
join our school systems.
or
Diba?
get the LET, take the LET exam, and enter. Pero ang mas mahalaga is that it enters now a discernment process. Ifo-focus kung talagang tinatawag ka ng Diyos. So you would have a kind of more rigid, if you want to call it, or more regular, na makikipag-dialogue ka sa isang, we call it advisor, coach, mentor, pero sa amin,
Parito.
ang tawag dyan, spiritual
yun.
director.
Spiritual director.
Kasi nga, nagpapari ka, it will be a spiritual director.
Pag tapos na yung semester,
Pero,
umuwi kayo.
every
Pwede
semester,
kayo umuwi.
Christmas particularly,
Christmas.
summer. Pero maganda po is, meron kaming counseling na ngayon.
Oo.
Kasi pag galing ka sa mga pamilya, meron kang mga
Ibang ways.
Hindi, meron kang mga baggages na could have been that you were verbally abused o kaya
Or naghiwalay yung magulang mo.
o you came like that. Meron kang we came from a state of poverty. Di ba? Or nabully ka or meron kang mga
Bagahe.
So sa bagahe na 'yon, lalo pag naging leader ka, hindi mo pwede spute out sa iba eh. Di ba? You cannot project it to others eh. So, yun, meron na silang aside from the spiritual director about your soul, it's also about your mind, your psyche.
So you also
there's
look
a counselor.
inward
Yeah, very much.
for the discernment.
That year we call it inward looking, parang propedeutics. Ngayon, sa mga congregations, we have immediately a novitiate, novice.
Yun na yung next, parang rank.
I-introduce ka ngayon, ano ba talaga itong pinapasok mong kongregasyon?
Okay.
Ang amin po, hindi ka magpapare. Magsasalisyano ka.
You're a Salesian.
So pag ikaw ay nasa Jesuit, hindi ka magpapare. Magje-Jesuit ka.
So it's the religious order, the way of
Oo,
life.
kasi yun ang pinasok mo eh. Pero kung gusto magpare, aspare, punta ka sa diocesan seminary.
Sa ARCAM, mga ganyan.
Oo, kasi iba talaga ang orientation.
Iba turo doon.
At pag ikaw ay tapos ka na ng philosophy, you have 4 years of theology. Kami, natapos ka na ng college,
Oo.
Magno-novitiate, magpo-postulate si novitiate, tapos 3 years philosophy.
Mas mahaba.
Yes, tapos 3 years teaching.
Tapos ilang theology.
4 years. So you still have
Mas
12 years.
mahaba.
You end up a priest at 32, 31 years old.
So ilang taon yun since high school?
Since college, di ba?
Hindi, kung since high school pa lang
Nako.
minor seminary.
Pag sinabi mo
Ilang years
6,
na rin yun
6 plus 4 college, plus 2, di 10 na yan.
Wow.
22 years.
So after theology, pag nagte-theology ka na, may vow ka na. Kailan ka magkaka-vows?
Normally kami, may vows na kami at the age of 18 or after, ngayon. Siguro ngayon ang aming vows, we come up to the age of
20 plus.
24, 25.
So yan na yung celibacy, poverty, and obedience?
Chastity, poverty, and obedience.
Kasi pag
Pero sa mga diocesan,
walang vow of poverty din. No?
lalagyan ka lang ng sutana pag pumasok ka ng philo. O ngayon, sabihin natin,
Nakasutana.
naka-philosophy ka nag-college ka, yun ang philosophy. So you have only 4 years, plus 4 years of theology. In 8 years, after senior high,
So pwede rin.
a seminarian that is called by God to be a priest, in 8 years. So more or less, wala sigurong 25, 26,
So
pari
pwede
ka.
rin nag-physics major ka sa ibang school sa kakapapasok ng seminaryo.
Ayun, magpipilo ka ulit.
Magfi-philo ka ulit, tama.
Kasi ang college degree mo, hindi na, and siguro yung philo mo would be 2 years. Certain number of units lang. It will not be your it's not your college degree. So, kasi meron ka ng college degree mo.
Mahalaga ang philosophy to explain theology.
More than explaining, rather, it prepares your mind.
For that discipline.
That discipline of
Ang galing
reasoning and analyzing.
Oo, ang galing.
Pero most important po dito, and I would say, mahalaga po, is all these years of training, studies, academics, and all that, ang pinakamaganda po, and I would even think, even for those who are not in seminaries, get a guide. If you are young, in your early 20s,
A guide meaning a person.
a person, if it is not marunong sa counseling, sa psychology, pare, or a madre.
Pare.
A madre o pare.
Oo, tama.
Spiritual director. And ask that very important question. Bakit ba ako pinanganak? Saan ba ako?
Oo nga, no. Why am I here?
Normally,
In
ang
this
pinag-uusapan dito, 3 lang naman eh. Ang tawag na 3 states of life are priesthood, religious life, or marriage.
Yung single pa.
Siguro nasa religious, life
religious
yun.
life.
Pero sabihin mo, sige, single blessedness. Bakit ko sinasabing state of life? Kasi in that state of life, may sacrament of marriage, may sacrament of priesthood, merong religious profession, vows, no? Ang single blessedness could be something like you join a group, a covenanted community. Actually, it's a state of holiness.
Ang ganda.
Ang Diyos,
Ang ganda.
ini-indicate sa'yo saan yung biyaya, saan siya tutulong kasi sinunod mo ang kanyang kalooban. At kung ang kalooban niya ay mag-asawa ka, wag ka magpare, wag ka magmahal.
Hindi mo alam. Kala mo, tinatawag ka magpare. Yung pala ang balak ni Lord, married life.
Doon mo malalaman sa training
Doon mo
program.
malalaman sa yung
Kasi pag nagtitrain ka seminarista, gusto ng Diyos mag-asawa ka. Yung problema ng pagiging pare, hindi mo makakayanan.
Hindi yun ang vocation.
Kasi wala namang grasya ang Diyos eh. Assisting you to overcome the problem connected to the priestly life. So pag pumasok ka sa isang stage of para sa pag-aasawa, meron kang discovery weekend. Di ba? Doon mo malalaman sa
discovery
communication kung ikaw ay para sa kasal.
Now, if baligtarin ko, gusto mo magpakasal pero ang balak pala sa'yo magpari ka.
Doon mo malalaman din sa discovery weekend.
During your panliligaw. Hindi ka pa
Panliligaw.
nagsiseminaryo eh.
Yeah, of course, correct.
Doon sa buhay na dadaanan mo.
Tanungin niyo po si Father Dave Concepcion. Ano nangyari?
Talaga? Dati ba siya?
Meron siyang girlfriend.
Talaga?
Di ba?
Bago
So,
siya
I mean to say, totoo yung mga questions na yan kasi palagay ko maganda tong ating topic kasi
Oo nga.
ano bang balak ko sa buhay ko? Pero mas maganda,
balak
yung balak ko ba, balak
Balak
ng
ni
Diyos.
Lord.
Kasi mahalaga eh. Kung ang balak ko lang.
Oo.
Baka hindi ako matulungan ng Diyos kasi hindi naman niya balak sa akin eh. Yung biyaya po, yung grasya, ang called is grace of state, hindi state of grace, grace of state.
Baliktad.
Binibigyan ka ng akmang help on the vocation. Kasi siya ang tumatawag eh. Na dapat pag sumagot ka doon, sigurado doon siya. Pero pag humindi ka doon, pahihirapan ka talaga ng bukas ng ginawa mo.
Wala nang kabawian yun.
Meron.
Meron naman.
Ang meron doon
Magiging mabubuti kang
Oy,
Kristiyano.
alam niyo po, may iba na nag-asawa na hindi naman para mag-asawa.
Sa bagay.
Eventually, they broke
sa
up and they
bagay.
had their marriages annulled.
Yung kwento mo nga, mag-asawang nagmadre ba isa, nagpari yung isa.
So, mga kapatid, maganda itong topic na to kasi ang ating komunidad ngayon, ang ating lipunan, hindi nagtatanong tungkol sa Diyos eh. Kung ano mo lang gusto mo, ano gusto ko. Ang magandang topic dito is, bigyan natin ng pansin ng Diyos. Lalo na kabataan, pansinin natin ang Diyos.
You have to pause na what am I here on earth
Yes,
for?
of course.
Kailangan mo ng dasal.
Because that's where God leads you. It's a path to
tanungin.
holiness.
Magandang tanungin yun sa sarili.
Yes. Kung gusto mong makarating sa kalangitan,
Oo.
meron kailangang biyaya yan. Pero
Correct.
dapat, ang tinatahak mong landasin, kung saan mo makikita ang biyaya ng Diyos.
So may calling, di ba, na maging corrupt kang politician? Calling ba yun?
So ang Diyos, ang tawag niya
Joke
ay
lang.
eternal life. The call
nga,
to be within. Pero which way will that go?
And he assigns you in this world. Ano yung role mo, right?
So hindi po ito profession, hindi ito job.
Oo
Kasi,
nga eh.
kunyari ako, professor ako ng theology, pari ako. Ang tawag sa akin, pari eh. Pero hindi professor. Kasi at one point, mag-retire ka sa pagka-professor. Pero sino ka? So may asawa ka, nagtrabaho ka, ang career mo, ang ganda, lawyer ka, doktor. Pero at the end of the day, may asawa ka. Tapos na yung career. O ano mangyari sa pag-asawa mo? Di ba? So in the end, it's your state of life that becomes the state of holiness.
So,
Kabanalan.
let's ask ourselves. It starts there, right?
Yes?
Na ano yung gusto sa akin ni Lord.
Yes.
And then, we can explore this more if you like. Follow, subscribe, and share this episode. We'll
Thank
be
you.
back.